Okay, I'm writing a recursive method, and in this video I'll be explaining the concept of recursive method, and I'll be explaining it by showing you how to write a code that reverses a string. So I guess the first thing, is that I guess you need to create a string. Okay, so here's my string, and it contains my mom is awesome, and here's my string. So after that, you need to create a method. So my method is public static string reverse string. So a recursive method needs to have at least two cases. So it needs an if statement. So yeah, that's what I mean. It needs an if statement, and in this if statement you'll need a base case and a recursive case. So I'm writing my base case first, so you need to establish the base case. So if my string length is less than 2, it will return string. So what this does is, if my string length is less than 2, it will only return string. In step 3, writing the recursive case. So recursive case is a method that is where the method calls itself. Okay, so reverse string length, not length, string substring 1 plus string char add 0. So this is my recursive case. So I have an if statement, I have a base case, and I have a recursive case. Now the only thing that we need to make sure of is that this works. So system.println reverse string. So let's run this code. Yeah, it's working. So in this code, what the recursive case does is it takes the first char of string. So this is our string, and it contains m at first. So this is what it does. And if the string length is not less than 2, then it continues on. So okay, it goes back to return. So it does that. So it does string str substring 1, which is basically y space mom is awesome, and it takes char add 0, which is y, and adds it to the reverse string like that. And then it goes back to the base case again. But then if the string length is still more than 2, I guess, and then it goes back to the recursive case. And in this case, okay, so it's like this, yeah. So takes the space, which is child 0, and adds it to the reverse string. And then it keeps on repeating itself. So substring 1 is that, and mom. So this is what it does. It goes back to the base case, and then if string length is still more than 2, then it will keep on repeating itself, and it will keep on repeating itself until is so if my base case says that my string length is less than 2, then it will return str, my string, which is only E. So basically it returns E, I guess. So it would look like that. System, when you system out print it, this is what it will look like here. E-M-O-S-E-W-A-S-I. So my mom is awesome in reverse. That's about it, I guess. Although it's not a very good video. Thank you for watching.